watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with a new video and this video is all about short apprehensions. So in this video we are coming up with 20 short apprehensions with example in German language. Like, it's gonna be super duper helpful, very informative video. Make sure to watch this video till end, and guys, if you're new on my channel, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get all the videos very first to you. And every alternate days we are coming up with a new video, and guys, on every Wednesday we are coming up with a German news, so please stay tuned. And guys, if you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, module practice, brush up classes, Hindi to English classes, German to English classes, Malayalam to German, like whatever you can think around German, German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan, and we'll catch you in the end of the video. And let's start, because this is gonna be super duper informative and helpful video. Let's start.
Here's a guide to common German texting abbreviations that will help you decode how Germans communicate informally via SMS or social media. So let's start the video. The first word is LG, which is Liebe Grüße, and the meaning is kind regards or best wishes. Now it is used at the end of a message to sign off politely. An example can be Ich hoffe, dir geht's gut. LG Anna means I hope you are doing well. Best wishes, Anna. Second word is WG. Full form is Viele Grüße, and its meaning is many regards. Now it is similar to LG but slightly more formal. An example can be Danke für die Info. WG Markus means thanks for the information. Best regards, Marcus. Next is HDGDL. Full form is Hab dich ganz toll liebe, means I love you a lot, and this is used in a platonic or romantic context. It is often used among close friends or couples to express affection. Example is Du bist die Beste. HDGDL means you are the best, love you a lot. Next word is BFF, means beste Freundin or beste Freund, and its meaning is best friend forever. It is borrowed from English but widely used in German. An example can be Du bist immer für mich da. BFF means you are always there for me, best friend forever. Next word is KA, means keine Ahnung, means no idea. It is used to express uncertainty or lack of knowledge. An example can be Was machen wir morgen? Ka vielleicht Kino means what are we doing tomorrow? So no idea, maybe the cinema. Next word is LOL, laughing out loud. It is same as in English laughing out loud, and it is often used to react to something funny. Example can be Dein Witz war super, LOL, means your joke was great, LOL. Next word is Gute means Gute Nacht. It is good night and commonly used before going to bed. An example can be Ich bin müde. GN8 means I'm tired and good night. Next is OMG. Full form is Oh mein Gott, and its meaning is oh my god. It is similar to English, expressing surprise or shock. An example is OMG, hast du die Nachrichten gelesen? Means oh my god, did you read the news? Next word is IDK. Full form is Ich weiß nicht, and its meaning is I don't know. It is borrowed from English but gaining popularity among younger Germans. An example can be Was soll ich anziehen? So you can reply IDK means what should I wear, and reply is I don't know. Next word is baby. The full form is bis bald and meaning is see you soon. It is used to indicate you will see or talk to someone again soon. Example is muss los baby means I have got to go, see you soon. Next word is te ha x means danke. In English it's thanks. So it is widely used informally for quick gratitude. You can just reply to someone like te ha x für deine Hilfe means thanks for your help. Next is se u means bis Peter. In English it's see you. It is borrowed directly from English and used informally. Example can be see you 8 Uhr beim Restaurant means see you at 6 p.m. at the restaurant. Next word is ASAP means as soon as possible, and in German so schnell wie möglich. It is often used in professional or in informal way. Example can be bitte ruf mich ASAP an means please call me as soon as possible. Next word is MB means mein Beileid, and it means my condolences, a thoughtful abbreviation used in somber situations. Example can be es tut mir so leid für deinen Verlust. MB means I'm so sorry for your loss, my condolences. Next word is V8. Its full form is warte and its meaning is wait. It is used to ask someone to pause or hold on. An example can be V8 ich komme gleich means wait, I'll be there in a second. Next word is OMW. In German it's bin unterwegs, and in English it means on my way. It is directly borrowed from English but commonly understood. For example, OMW bin in 5 Minuten da means on my way, I'll be there in 5 minutes. The next symbol is of love means Liebe, and it is a heart symbol representing affection. It is used in romantic or friendly messages. For example, du bist die Beste, and the symbol means you are the best, love. Next word is BTW. In German it's übrigens. In English it's by the way. It is often directly borrowed from English. For example, BTW, hast du meine E-Mail gesehen means by the way, did you see my email? Next word is HDF. And in German it means halt die Fresse. In English its meaning is shut up or shut your mouth. It is rude or jokingly used among close friends. For example, du schon wieder. HDF means you again, just shut up. Next word is YOLO. In German it's man lebt nur einmal, and its meaning is you only live once. It is used just like the English equivalent. For example, lass uns heute tanzen gehen. YOLO means let's go dancing tonight, YOLO. Next word is MFG. In German it means mit freundlichen Grüßen, and in English it's kind regards. It is used just like the English equivalent. For example, MFG der Hausmeister means mit freundlichen Grüßen or kind regards, the building manager. Next word is ÖPNV means öffentlicher Personennahverkehr. It means public local transport. The term refers to the public transportation system within a specific region, including buses, trams, subways, commuter trains, and sometimes even ferries. For example, ich fahre jeden Tag mit dem ÖPNV zur Arbeit means I take the public transportation to work every day. Next is BZW means beziehungsweise, and in English it means or rather, respectively, या फिर, and or. It is commonly used in formal and informal German to connect related ideas, clarify relationships, or specify options. For example, die Öffnungszeiten sind Montag bis Freitag von 9 Uhr bis 18 Uhr bzw. Samstag von 10 Uhr bis 14 Uhr means the opening hours are Monday to Friday from 9 to 6 or rather Saturday from 10 to 2. Next is FKK fans means Freie Körperkultur and its meaning is free body culture fans. The FKK movement, popular in early 20th century Germany, promotes freedom, equality and non-sexual body positivity. FKK areas are separate from the regular beaches with rules ensuring a respectful environment. An example is Viele FKK-Fans verbringen ihre Sommerurlaub an den Stränden der Ostsee means many FKK fans spend their summer vacations on the beaches of the Baltic Sea. The last word is KRIPO means Kriminalpolizei and its meaning is criminal police. Kripo is typically mentioned in discussions about law enforcement and criminal investigations. It is often used in news reports about major criminal cases in Germany. An example can be Die Kripo hat den Fall übernommen und untersucht nun die Umstände des Verbrechens means the criminal police have taken over the case and are now investigating the circumstances of the crime.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed and I hope the video was very informative to you. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gang. Take care.